In this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to pass tester work QA assessment and start testing apps, websites and products and get paid just using your mobile phone. So in my last video, I talked about what tester work is all about, and I told you guys that it is a platform where users are allowed to test app, websites and products with just their smartphone, give reports to the companies and they get paid. Now there's something we call test cycle. Test cycle is an invitation a user receive from the company, a registered user. If you are registered on the platform, you will be able to receive this notification called test cycle via your email, and this test cycle is what guarantee you to be able to test this product, applications and website before you end. So every company has their own test cycle, and based on your location, your region, you can get different test cycle in a year. This particular video is about how you are going to pass their QA assessment and start receiving test cycle notification so that you can be able to make whopping amount of money with your mobile phone. What are you looking out for in this apps, products and website? You are looking out for bugs. And what are these bugs? Bugs, like I told you, there are errors, defects that cause this product, these apps, this website to malfunction. So you are going to be giving them a bug report. So that's overview about tester work. So now I'm going to guide you through the process on how you are going to register on the platform, how you sign up, how you are going to pass through the test, and how you'll be able to get congratulatory message after successfully passing the test. So I'm going to show you this trick, but in my next video I'm going to show you how to write a clear bug report that will be able to earn you extra income. Because one thing is to participate in this test cycle and get paid, another thing is to earn additional revenue by reporting bugs. For every bug you report successfully, you are going to earn additional revenue. So without wasting time, let's head on to our browsers. So I'm going to be using Chrome browser for this purpose. So currently I'm on my Chrome browser now, and I'll now head on to my search bar and then search for tester work. So you can see tester work, and then I'll now search for it. Then it will appear. I'll click the first link, and then I'll now click become a tester, and then I'll now sign up with my email and password. Click on I agree to their terms, and then click on sign up. So you can see they will send you a confirmation email. So I'll head on to my email right now and then click on the confirmation email I'm going to get from this tester website. So I'm on my email right now, and this is the confirmation email. I'll click on the link, and then it will confirm my registration. Next, I will need to fill in my biodata, my name, my last name, first name, age and all of that, and then I will click next. So this is part of the processes. You have to fill in your number, your first name, your email, your age, your bios about you, and then your country of residence. Is very important because that will determine how much test cycle you'll be receiving. Then I will check this box as yes, and then input the kind of laptop I'm using. I'm going to put HP laptop with the 10. I'm also going to add the kind of mobile phone. Here I'm going to put iPhone 13, or I'm sorry, iPhone 11, and then I'm also going to add an Android phone. Let me add Infinix Hot 30i for this test. You can add as multiple phone or devices you have, and then you click next when done. So the next thing now, we head on to the test session, which is the test itself, which is the crucial aspect of it. And you can see how they give us just a preview of how what we are expected in the test. And now on the test session, our test is open. So this is the test, but before that, I'll head on to my ChatGPT, open my ChatGPT, as you can see, then go back to the test. Now what I need to do here now is to highlight everything, all the questions, including the answer, and then copy it and head on to my ChatGPT and paste it there. So you can see I've highlighted everything, and this is my ChatGPT. I will now paste it and send. Then ChatGPT is going to help me to answer all the questions correctly. So what I need to do is I'll look at the correct answer from ChatGPT and then click the right answer on the tester page. So you can see how AI has been helpful in this case, ChatGPT. So when done with ChatGPT, I will enter my payment details correctly. I use Upwork, but for the purpose of this class or this video, I'm going to be using PayPal. You fill in your PayPal details, and when done, you click finish, and you can see congratulations, I have passed this test. So you can also do that, and it's very simple. Anybody can do it with your ChatGPT. You can copy all the question, get the answer, pass, input your details, and that is all. And when you reach this stage and you have passed the test by following what I have said, you, like I told you, you are going to have ChatGPT. You are going to copy everything and put it on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to give you your accurate answers. When you finish answering, you input your payment details. After inputting your payment details, you get a congratulatory message. You can give it a trial as soon as possible. This is how I was able to pass by and started making some revenue. So when you pass, you start receiving test cycle notification immediately. Like after 48 hours, you start receiving email notification of test cycles, and when you participate in these test cycles, you are going to be paid. And like I told you, the payment depends on the company, depends on the test cycle. There are some test cycle that paid up to $45, other $50, other $15, and as low as $10, depending on the hours involved. Those that takes longer hours, they pay better. So that's how I was able to do it. So guys, in my next video, like I told you, I'm going to show you how to write a perfect bug report where you get test cycle and how to register for this test cycle. So guys, welcome to OCHE'S Tech. If you are new to this channel, do click the subscribe button. For my existing subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. Do have a lovely day.